Hey, what's up guys, Riggs here with Tech Discovery. Today we're doing a quick unboxing of the iPhone 6s. Let's open the box. Okay, so this is the box. At the top you got the Apple logo. On the sides you've got the iPhone 6s, and then at the bottom there's an Apple logo. On the back you got some information. This is a 128GB model and it's a space gray. So let's open the box. Right, as usual, on the front we've got the device. Put these aside for now. Underneath we've got some documentation, warranty guide, iPhone dimensions and Apple logos. And then in the documentation tray we've got the ejector for your SIM. Inside the box we've got the earpods, the lightning cable and your wall adapter, and pretty much that's about it for the contents in the box. So let's get back to the device. Check this off. Just as you can see, a quick look at the space gray model. Alright, so on your right you have the power button and your SIM tray. At the top there's nothing on there. On your left you've got your volume rocker and your mute switch. On the bottom you've got 3.5mm jack. You've got your microphone, lightning port and your speaker. And as you can see on the front you've got the home button with your fingerprint scanner. At the top here there's the speaker, the Facetime camera, and above your speaker you've got your sensors. In the back you've got your eyesight camera, 12MP, true tone flash and your microphone and Apple logo. And as you can see in here is the S version, and that's about it. It's exactly the same as your iPhone 6s Plus. The only difference is the 6s Plus has OIS, Optical Image Stabilization, on the back of the camera, which supports on photos and videos. We're just gonna power up and have a look at the first boot. In the meantime we're gonna do a comparison as well with the iPhone 6s Plus, so you can get a feel how they look compared to side by side. Right, so we're just gonna carry on with the setup quickly and then take it from there. So after we've done the setup, just gonna give you a quick look at the iPhone. So here it is. Just gonna take the bigger brother and give you a quick comparison how they look. So here they are, and let's do a size comparison if you are not sure how big they look. So that's the side, that's the back. And then that's the front. So if size is a big deal for you, then hopefully this might help you make your decision. On the back, 12 megapixel iSight camera, exactly the same. And then on the front, 5 megapixel Facetime front facing camera. So overall, both devices look premium. The only difference is the camera and the size. And the camera on iPhone 6s Plus, it's called OIS, Optical Image Stabilization, and on the smaller version, the 6s, it hasn't. But overall, they're both good quality and you shouldn't have any problem. Well, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. If you got any comments or would like to ask us anything, please leave the comments down below. Until next time, thanks for watching. Bye bye.